How to connect Xbox One controller to Steam. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to connect Xbox One controller to Steam. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To connect your Xbox One controller to Steam, you can follow these steps. Number 1. Ensure your controller is compatible. The Xbox One controller is natively supported by Steam, so you should not need any additional software or drivers. However, if you are using a wireless Xbox One controller, make sure it's the newer model with Bluetooth support, as the older models may require a separate wireless adapter. Number 2. Turn on your controller. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller to turn it on. If it's a wireless controller, make sure it's paired with your PC via Bluetooth or connected via USB. Step 3. Open Steam. Launch the Steam application on your computer now, and Step 4. Access Steam settings. Tap on Steam in the top left corner of the Steam window, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Controller Settings. In the Settings window, select Controller from the left-hand sidebar. Step 6. Enable Xbox configuration support. Check the Xbox next to Xbox configuration support to enable support for Xbox controllers. This allows Steam to recognize and configure your Xbox One controller. Step 7. Configure controller settings, which is optional. You can further customize your controller settings by tapping on General Controller Settings or Xbox Controller Configuration in the Controller Settings menu. Here you can customize button mappings, adjust sensitivity, and more. Lastly, save the settings. Once you have configured your controller settings to your preference, tap on OK or Apply to save your changes. Your Xbox One controller should now be connected to Steam and ready to use with games that support controller input. You can test it by launching a game in your Steam library that supports controllers and verifying that your controller is working as expected. So this is how you can connect Xbox One controller to Steam. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.